What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button down below. It helps me out a lot. We are on our winery build. If you guys haven't seen this place already, click the icon in the top right hand corner to watch days 1 through 20 something. Today we're working on getting some trusses up, getting this place a little bit more complete. You guys saw all these get set in day 20. Day 21, all the fill trusses went in. We've been making progress, but we're still going. On a better note, I don't know if you can see it way down there, I got my truck back. Thing runs like a brand new truck. Super stoked.
It'll help.
Right now we're laying out all of our lookouts. 4 foot on center. We'll have a 4x6 lookout. Tugging groove on top. Farther down, buddy. Farther down, buddy. Pop it. Safety glasses on. I'm gonna have to Photoshop some safety glasses on.
Oh shit, boost saws on.
So we'll get that one out of the way and work on the one next to it. We've got our gable end, 1 doubler. Lookouts are gonna go through that doubler, tie into the 3rd truss over. That's a good looking truss. All right, we've got some detailed little sections in here. We just finished fill on this side and on this side. We're gonna do all the fill that goes in here now. These all go across like that. This is gonna take a little bit longer though. We need both sides to match up. So the bottom of that one there will match up with the bottom of the same one over there all the way down. They're all scissor trusses as well. Everything from the very small one out to the big section here. I know a lot of people prefer hand cut roofs, but out here we don't see them a whole lot just due to the fact that we're building stuff like this. You would have to have one heck of a ridge in order to do that. We got that truss up. It's plumbed up off of our 4-ply girder. That way when our crane comes back, the only thing we have to do is throw some blocks there, and there, run all these trusses out. We should only need the crane out here for about an hour, hour and a half. But that's what I'm gonna have you guys head mounted. You'll get to see exactly how it is up there. Right now we're in kind of tight quarters, so I'd rather show you guys the big picture from farther away. Just about dark out here. We got this main truss set earlier. All this fill got done today as well. Super stoked on that. These ones here, along with those. So we have one vault tying into another vault, which is actually a pretty tricky situation, but it came out perfect. We ran a string from the 4-ply girder over to the 2-ply that we set to where our ridge is perfectly straight, which also means the top of the vault is laser straight as well. Thank you guys for tuning in on the Winery build series. If you want to watch the rest of them, click the icon in the top right hand corner and go check those out. But I will see you guys next time. Bang on.